All right, we're back, and I got all my tools here, and we're gonna see what happens. So, in each of these bottles, I have different things. And by the way, do not try this at home. There is an extreme risk of delaminating your carpet, which means it'll loosen the glue that's between the fibers and the burlap backing, and the fibers will just start coming up, and you'll get a bubble. So you don't want to do that. Give me a call, definitely. 20 years experience, and I've taken all the fun classes to be able to do this good stuff, or fun stuff rather. So at any rate, this here is basically like a cherry solvent, not cherry, but like a solvent from roses. It's got a cherry scent to it for some reason. And this I got in here is just your typical like nail polish remover. So we're going to start with the very basics. So first things first is we'll just start on the worst spot of them all. So we got to apply the cleaner, and we're going to start with the rose solvent. Seems to be the easiest way to start. It's not as hard on the backing, the glue that I was talking about. I got a little guitar pick. Shout out to my friends in Stunt Cycle Band. I used to jam with them years ago on the bass. Anyway, so these picks, I don't know, they come in handy when I'm scraping at spots and stuff. So we're just gonna, agitate it a little bit, kind of get that solution in there. Okay, then take a terry cloth. It's coming up. Good old protectant. That's why I love this stuff. It really makes a difference, I'll tell you. Not too bad, huh? Let's try something a little different, and then we're gonna have to rinse this thoroughly after, because we don't want to delaminate. So ooh. Not bad. I think there's enough solvent in here that we could break out our extractor and do a little flushing. Okay. See what happens. Look at all that blue. Isn't that crazy? Ooh, look at all these red ones. Maybe we can get these out too. Little yellow ones, more blue over here. Here's another one. Look at that. We'll start with the little rose solvent. Then we shall agitate. Now, little towel. It's a little extra agitation, just kind of see if it's coming out or not. Very good. Try the acetone. Please don't do this at home. Leave it to the professionals. You could really destroy your carpet if you're not careful. So, just doing my thing. Starting to fade, as you can see. Not bad, right? Alright, let's go rinse this out. It should all just come right up. There we go. This one's a little trickier. Oh, now it's coming out, just a little extra flushing. We're getting it though. Look at that. Okay, let's just do a little drying to prevent any resoiling. Always do a towel dry, or what I do is I have my machine with some cotton bonnets, so we do some more of a dry extraction that way. All right, paint mess gone. There's still a few little ones here and there I'll be working on, but yeah, there you have it. Talk to you later.